Good morning. We're going to have a quick video this morning, and this morning we're going to have a video about NavyFed Credit Union credit card. NavyFed Credit Union has been very good to me and my husband, and we've been banking with them since 2013. So we're almost like grandfather and grandma for that bank, isn't it? But anyway, we love credit union because everything that we do, they always furnish for us. Got um, we got 4 personal loans, and it's already paid off. And I have a car loan, and it just paid off at the beginning of this year, 2020. And practically we have 3 accounts with them, and practically most of our businesses are done at credit union, at Navy Fed Credit Union. So the reason why I did this video, because I'm a new member of Navy Federal Credit Union fan club on Facebook. And on Facebook, most of them are talking about credit cards, and everybody was like celebrating each other's having a credit card from limit from 3,000 all the way up to 50,000. And I said, wow. So we have 4 credit cards. Actually, we have 6 credit cards. My husband got 3, and I got 3. And we decided last month that we're gonna get rid of 2 credit cards. We're gonna pay it off this month, and then close it out in April. April comes, because we don't need all those credit cards, and those are credit cards that we have high interest rate, and we almost paid off. So we're gonna go ahead and pay it off completely and close it out. So when I read all the comments on people's comments on Facebook about their credit cards and the amount that they got, I got so excited, and I said, "Wow!" I didn't. I guess even though that I'm being a member with Navy Fed Credit Union for that long, I was not really interested in getting another credit card whatsoever. Even though we're being there for, doing business with them. But when I read those people's comments, and how much credit card amount they have on credit card, that it makes my credit cards that I have like mediocre stuff, you know, like it doesn't even amount to anything. So I said, well, what the heck? I'm gonna go ahead and apply for it. Maybe when I get that credit card, I can merge all the credit cards that I have to it. So I went and applied. But it was funny though, because I didn't have very much to answer, because it got all my information. And then the only three they have 3 questions that added to it. Um, but one of the questions I remember, what do you need? That they ask, what do you need the credit card for? And I said to update my credit, because my husband and I just became homeowners. Homeowners the beginning of this year, 2020. We just became homeowners in January. That's a nice New Year present to the two of us. And so so I figure, I mean, ever since that we were looking for a house, people's been company and banks and mortgage and loan agencies been pulling out credit from here and there, even though we didn't ask their permission. They didn't ask our permission, but they pull our credit anyway. So our credit went from 700 plus to like almost a 5, because those inquiries is gonna add up, minus, drop your score down. So now this is the end of February. I saw our FICO score just finally, or all our score from different agencies, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experience, just finally went back up to the 700. So I was so thankful, and very thankful for that. Um, but anyway, that's one of the questions that they ask. What do you need a credit card for? And then I said, just to update, monitor my credit, or update my credit, something like that. So, so I waited a few days, and well, actually, they sent me an email right at that. Excuse me, or right that night. That night that I applied, that I got approved. I got approved. I got approved for $20,000. I mean, did you hear that? What am I gonna do with that amount? I never had a credit card. That's such a large amount. Never, ever. This is the first time. First time. And I said, Lord, what am I gonna do with that large amount? So so when so the email also said that, yeah, watch for the mail that is coming in the mail, 3 to 5 days or something like that, and it's coming in a white envelope. So today, this is the white envelope, and it feels like a credit card in there. So we're gonna open this sucker. So but anyway, I said that we just became homeowners at the beginning of this year. So and then I asked God, God, what do you want me to use this credit card for? It's such a large amount, and I want to use it wisely. And the light bulb went out my head, and I said, well, use it for the mortgage. And I said, yes, thank you, Lord. So, because for those of you who are homeowners, you know exactly what I mean. The very first years of your payment to your mortgage, 80%, almost 80% goes to the interest, to pay the interest down, and only 2% is going to go to your principal. So, in other words, in 10 years, or yeah, 5 years, you're paying, or 10 years anyway, you're paying down the stupid interest, and you're not paying for your principal of your loan so that you can have equity in your property. So God gave me a little insight that this credit card is going to be used to pay down the principal. So I decided every 3 months, I'm going to take 1,500 out of this one, or maybe 2,000 out of this one, and pay down the interest and extra payment. I mean, I'm still going to pay for the payment of that month, but I'm going to take 1,500 or 2,000 out of this credit card and pay the principal. That's the extra payment. So I'm going to do that every 3 months. So I said, wow. So here it is. So you want to know what it is? I'm going to open it up. I'm going to see what it is. I'm excited. I am excited. $20,000 credit card. Here it is. Oh, all the information on the back of the card. I'm not going to show it to you yet. And this is the credit card. I got my name on that that one. Whew. Wow. $20,000 credit card. Wow. Thank you, Lord, that I got a mortgage paid down in 5 to 7 years. I'm going to be mortgage free in 5 to 7 years. Isn't that wonderful? Isn't that wonderful? Yes. So, go and become a member at NavyFed. Tell that I sent you. AVAU FAAESEA. That I sent you, so that I can have $25 in my. Every time I refer you to credit union, I get something back too. So go to credit union and put in an account. Say I refer you, and they will tick my name in there, and they say, yeah, she's a member. And then I get $25, and you get $25. Yeah. If you go on your own and open your own credit and your own account, you're not going to get the $25. But if you tell them that I refer you, hey, I got $25 and you get $25. So I love you. Have a wonderful day. Go get a credit card. Be a member first. Be a member first and then apply for a credit card. So Navy Federal Credit Union is an awesome bank to be. Thank you. Bye.